Hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. A long time ago, I may have shared the fish story, but I wanted to share it again today. It's a kind of a neat little story, but it makes a big point. And so I wanted to share it with you. You know, it's important we know not to lie. We know it's important to tell the truth, but we want to be careful we don't even dip into kind of stretching the truth or a little white lies. You know, we build trust with our customers and our employees. And boy, you know, we do something like that and we can really ruin that relationship if we're not careful. Let me jump to the fish story. There was this man who owned a fish market and a meat market. And he had a regular customer. It was this lady who always came in on the weekend. So it was Saturday, she came in and she would buy a number of things and she would always have him she would always buy fish. And so he would hold up a fish. And it just was her way that she never kind of liked the first fish. So he would go into the back and get another one or two that were like that, the same kind. And she would pick which one she kind of liked doing that. So it was never the first one that that he showed her that she bought. It was always one of the other ones. She comes in on a Saturday and she says, well, it's time for me now to buy the fish. And he reaches down into the counter with the ice and he pulls up the fish. And she goes, of course, no, not that one. Show me another one. And he reaches down and he remembers he doesn't have any more fish out back like that. He doesn't have any more fish. It's just that one. And he convinces himself that it's okay just to reach down, and pull up that same fish as if it's a different fish, because he thinks she'll pick it just because she's picky and doesn't want to pick the first one. But if she sees it again, not knowing, she'll pick it. He brings up the fish, shows her the fish, and she says, oh, you know what, today, that one's nice too. I'll take both of them. Yeah, I'll take both of them. Now he's in a real pickle. He has lied, and he only has the one fish. And it's just a cute story that really makes the point about little things can become a big thing. Here's this great customer, and now he's ruined this relationship of trust possibly by what he's done. Is it the end of the world? No. Was there $1 million at stake? No. But he really deceived this lady who was a great customer. Something to keep in mind when we go through our day in and day out interactions with employees and customers. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.